very soft as well. So this is the Jolbhora. So I was given a special access to this kitchen. So now he's just pouring the jol or the sugar syrup inside the amazing sweet before sealing it out. So after this Jolbhora, I'm going to try this Motipak. This is also. When we started from Kolkata this morning, we thought that we were going to stop at various places, historic sites. But our first stop was at Surya Modak's sweet shop in Chandannagar. We wanted to try the Jolbhora, but we ended up trying at least 5 different sweets. So this is our first stop at Surya Kumar Modak's sweet shop in Chandannagar, and this is where we're going to get our Jolbhora this morning. So this is the famous Jolbhora. We are going to try one and buy many. So I'm going to try one here. This is the Jolbhora. This is really authentic Jolbhora of Chandannagar. I've got one and I'm going to try this. This is really quite different. It's very warm and very soft as well. So this is the Jolbhora. So I'm going to try this. It's already, the syrup is coming out.
So there are 2 varieties. This one is the normal pak or the softer one, and there is the hard one.
This is the softer one, and it's just so good. It's just amazing. And inside we have the jaggery, the liquid jaggery. Wow. I don't remember when is the last time I had this. This is just probably the best sweet I ever tried.
So this is in season now, and we have the date syrup in the middle. So fresh juice from the date tree.
So after this Jolbhora, I'm going to try this Motipak. This is also very authentic. This is a famous sweet from this shop. Okay, so that's the traditional way. Okay. Oh. So they normally serve this in this way, and this is like a small packet of the paper, and inside I have to open it up, and this is also very soft, and it's called Motipak. Like sweetened cottage cheese, so fresh. It's just amazing. It's not very sweet, but it is really fresh and crumbly as well. Great start of the day. Now I'm trying Puli, and this is also made with cottage cheese, and it's very soft. I can already see that it's so fresh. Really great, so good. I think I can keep eating all of them. Jol or the syrup that's inside is oozing out. Is just so good. It feels good. And it's coming out of the kitchen, and it's warm, and it is just delicious. And I just had a conversation with the shop owner, and he just explained that this shop is selling these Jolbhora, or this extraordinary, very soft, succulent sweet since 1810. So imagine how old and historic this place is. And as we are trying this Jolbhora, a gentleman offered us a famous Rosogolla, but made with the special wintertime jaggery. And look at these. I'm going to try this next. First of all, I'm going to try this Rosogolla, and this is a quite different color because of the jaggery. Wow. I can't explain this. I don't have any word to explain this. You have to come here and try this. Look at this. This is so solid. yet very soft and succulent. It's very juicy and tender. You need to look at my face, study my expression, measure the satisfaction level, and that will explain how good is this. Fantastic. Offered me is a same cottage cheese, but it's called Muki. It's made with cow milk, fresh cow milk, and then they made cottage cheese, and they definitely made this Muki, and I should try this. I had chana Muki many times, but this looks so different. This is out of the world sweet. It's so great. It's so fresh, tender. Normally these murkis are a bit hard, but this one is like succulent, soft, very juicy, and it's full of double cream flavor. It's just so good. So as you can see, we ended up buying a lot of sweets and also these special rasgullas as well. I've got another item which is called Rajnandini, and it's made with kheer and cottage cheese, and it has got condensed milk and some dried fruit as well on top. So let me try. Oh, it's soft. It's just so good.
It's rasamalai, right?
It's like rasamalai. Yeah. The quality of milk determines how good the sweet will be, and this is probably the best quality you can imagine. And I've got a special permission to go inside the kitchen of this amazing shop. So let's join me. So I'm other side of the world now. Wow. Look at this. They're pouring milk. Beautiful. And this is the special access I've got. And this gentleman is making the Jolbhora that we just tried. And this is the mold that he is using to create this amazing sweet. And that's the sugar syrup that goes inside. That's made with special jaggery, only available this winter time. So I was given a special access to this kitchen where all these amazing creations are being created, and this gentleman is making those amazing Jolbhora, and I'm really happy and privileged to get access to see how these creations are being made. Amazing. So now he's just pouring the jol or the sugar syrup inside the amazing sweet before sealing it out. And you see the final product is now completed and it's standing so nicely. And these are the rasagullas, and this is the winter time special rasagullas. So many sweets. By looking at them, I'm getting diabetic. আপনার নামটা একটু বলুন।
আমার নাম শুভেন্দু মোদক।
Okay. Thank you very much for giving us this access.
Thank you.
This is the actual heart of the kitchen where they're bringing the fresh milk and start to create all those amazing sweets. Now our sweets are getting packed. This is a nice little carry bag that we are getting our sweets to carry on. Look, finally we ended up buying a lot of sweets, and we have got 4 carry bags to carry those sweets. And this was the Surya Kumar Modak sweet shop in Chandannagar. And we have been dreaming about this shop and coming here and trying this. Now finally we did that, and this is just amazing experience. This is probably the best sweets that we ever tried. And so thank you very much for watching this video. This is one of our mini food vlogs.